Here's what we're doing. We're taking a bunch of plastic off and replacing it with carbon fiber. Installed. You can ascend it. And we'll just slap that on. Okay. Good. That deflects the air downward. I say it goes. Couple here on the big old studs. Ocho?
Nueve?
No. Nueve is extremely rare. Ochos and Dieces all over the place. What are you doing?
Hi, Sammy. Checking in.
Seems pretty wiggly, Darth. I think we just got a couple externals there, but those look like they went to 10.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah.
Pull back a little bit. See if we can see some lines. What do you got? You got stuff? That's cool. I gotta take this off to get this off. Tips. I dig it. I'm gonna hit battery positive here. These angles. Down.
Okay, let's do it.
Did it look awesome?
Let's go.